I wanted to demonstrate an alternative form to adjusting the low back and getting relief from pain and symptoms from your low back pain or pain traveling down your legs. That it's a little different, and I think you'll like it. Most chiropractors are going to go into what's called the side posture position and do what's called a lumbar roll, and it can be a little bit forceful for people, especially if we're older or if you don't like the pressure on your shoulders. So one of the things we can do is simply block the pelvis based on the x-ray findings, and then we can use a mechanical adjusting device. It's very gentle and get some movement into the joints of the sacrum and the low back and the pelvis, and do what's called a drop adjustment, where it's really, the sound is nothing like the way that it feels. It feels very nice. And lastly, what we can do is actually stretch the low back so that we get some lubrication into the spine and take pressure off the discs and off the nerves and stretch the low back, the muscles. All this is something that I've developed in our office because we have so many people that really don't like the traditional chiropractic adjustment, and I wanted you to know that there are alternatives to that. How does it feel?
Wonderful.
Wonderful, she said.